Welcome back, people. So, had a bit of disaster. Unpacking the bag, realised I forgot my cup. So, I've had to improvise. I've had to fry the water, boil the water in the frying pan. The cup I usually boil the water in, I couldn't actually boil the water in this, because if I boiled the water in this and then drank it out of this, it would obviously just melt my lips. So take the water out of there into there to have a nice lovely mint hot chocolate. Lovely. So yeah, get this down me first, and then what's on the menu tonight? We have got we have some chopped ham, fried, some hot dogs, fried, and then we have some egg noodles, and then some hoisin sauce, which says on the packet perfect with duck. Budget life. We're going to go with hot dogs and cured Lilian ham. Yeah, we'll say it's duck. And then for snacks, crisps obviously, and then a couple of Quaker to go porridge bars. These are actually really good for breakfast as well. But breakfast in the morning, we have, look at that, hash browns. Can't wait to get into these. Absolutely love hash browns. I'm going to eat a lot. Full pack, look at that. Beautiful. And then Odin's breakfast, only the best for the boy. Mackerel, in olive oil and sardines. Protein gains. Lovely. So yeah, I think this is that boiling? Huh? Is it boiling yet? Oop. So I would say this is done now. So I'm going to get into this hot chocolate. Oi, 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 oi. Whoops. Get into this bad boy. Let's see. Ready? Oi, oi. Fuck. Sorry for swearing. Let's see. So the hike up here today, I basically tried something different. I got some inspiration off another guy on YouTube who goes around hiking all around the world basically, and I like his style of videos. So he basically does the hike and then catches up in the destination when he reaches the destination, sorry. And I quite like that because there's nothing worse than talking where you can barely breathe. So I think for the next couple of videos I'm going to try this style, see how it goes, because I think, yeah, I think it's just going to be a little bit better, a little bit different to what most people do in the wild camp. Just let me know what you think in the comments. It'll be really helpful to see what you think about the silent hike and then catch up at the destination. It'll be really good. Oh man. Smell that. Smell that. Smell it. Huh? Smell that. Tell you what. I haven't had one of these for a very long time. Just smells like an after 8. And it is 8:55, so it's fine. So yeah, just let me know what you think about the start of the video. Yeah, try something different. Try something different to what everybody else posts on YouTube. Wild camping, well, not everybody, but most. Just gonna chill, get this down the hatch, and then I'll bring you back. I'm gonna start frying the good stuff in a bit. Now then, we're back. Gordon Ramsay. Look at this. Something I prepared earlier. Can you see? Don't know what I'm shouting for. Yeah, that's the sausages and ham in. Ready to get them brown, but maybe needs. There we go. Gave Odin half the pack as well. Absolutely devoured it as usual. I've also had to lose the skin. I had to take the down off. It's just too warm. The wind's completely dropped and the rain stopped, so it's pretty much what was forecasted now. And it's a shame because it'll be pitch black outside and I won't be able to show you around until the morning, but hopefully we will get a decent sunset. Looking good. I didn't show you what else was in my loot. So let's see. Got cashews, coffee, more coffee, hot chocolate, Belgian chocolate, and also look at that bad boy. Been through Marines training with me, that's been on the Royal Marine Survival exercise. Fond memories, yeah, bring that with me every single camp. I can stay out. So yeah, basically that's a coffee bag by the looks of it. Yeah, plenty of coffee. Oh shit. So yeah, get this done, then whack the noodles in, sauce, and they get scoffing. Let this cook for a little while and then I'll bring you back in a bit. Don't know if you can hear that, but the rain's back. Right. So, you see that? Let me pick you up. I'll pick you up for you to have a look. See if you can see it. Look at that. Can you see? I don't know. Maybe not. Anyways, look at this. See, lovely. Hoisin sauce with a hot dog and pretty much a piece of spam. Let's see what it's saying. Tell you what, that's not too bad, you know. That's not too bad. Yeah, budget life and all that. It's not bad. I don't know if it's because I'm just absolutely Hank Marvin, or it is actually nice. but it's pissing down outside, and I'm here in a tent with my dog, eating spam with a hot dog, noodles, and hoisin sauce. Amazing. Beautiful. I'm just going to scran this, and then maybe have another hot dog, hot chocolate. Maybe have another hot chocolate, and then chill for a little bit. Maybe do some editing on my phone. Can't get any signal here, so can't catch up on anything. So yeah, maybe do a bit of editing, and then yeah, catch up with you in a bit. Just nodded off there for about, I don't know, I think it's about 45 minutes. Me and the dog. Yeah, started pouring down again as well. But we've ate all our scran, our food. Oh man, what a sleep that was. So yeah, gonna go and just get to sleep now. It is 10:20. So guys, just fell asleep. Fell asleep for about a good 45 minutes there. Yeah, what a sleep. So pretty much ate all our food. Odin's got his jacket on to keep warm. I've obviously got my woolly hat on. Just gets a little bit nippy once that rain comes in. So yeah, probably just gonna head to sleep now, and yeah, hopefully get us at sunrise in the morning. Sorry I couldn't show you anything much outside, but absolutely clagged in. The forecast for tomorrow should be a little bit better, hopefully. So yeah, see you in the morning. Catch you in a bit. Good morning. Yeah, not much of a sunrise this morning. It is 5:50. Don't know if you can see it in the distance. It's down there. It's Enidal Lake. This would have been amazing views from here. Yeah, still clagged in, unfortunately. Get the Odin just having his morning wee. Go on then. Go on. Yeah, so just gonna have a little walk around. Have a little walk around and let Odin stretch his legs. I'm gonna get back into the tent. And then yeah, have a cuppa, I think. But let's have a little walk down here. Let's see if that. Look at them views. Yeah, that would be a cracking view. If this clag wasn't here, look at it. Incredible. Right. Odin's just having his morning wee. You can see. Look. It's like a statue. Look at that. There we go. Right, back in the tent. Let's get a cuppa on. Just made my breakfast. Spilt water all over the tent. Made a cuppa. And I didn't press record. Anyways, so just having this cuppa, and then I think we'll get this tent packed away slowly, and then we'll maybe just head back down, and then maybe just head back down, or I'll maybe decide to go. I was going to go up to Crag, have a little hike up to Crag, but yeah, I don't think there'll be many views, to be honest. So yeah, get this cuppa downers. They're packed away slowly. Second breakfast, and then yeah, catch up with you in a bit. Now then, that is all packed away now. As you can see, just down here, this is where we were. As always, leave no trace. It's a little bit of flattened grass. So now we're just gonna head back up to the summit and get off this mountain. Let's go. Right people, I'm nearly back at the car, so I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you've liked it, please like and subscribe. Really helps. It really helps the channel. Not a long one today. Just a nice short one in case the shit hit the fan with the storm. So yeah, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next.